This concepts module outlines the definitions and differences between distance and displacement. If we take this example of a rugby player on a field, we might be interested in the total length of the path that he's run from point A to point B. That's defined as the distance. We might also be interested in the straight line between his starting position and his end position, which is defined as displacement. Sometimes our measurements of distance and displacement are the same. So take a 100-meter sprint. It's run in a straight line from point A to point B. So the distance is going to be 100 meters and the displacement is also going to be 100 meters. However, a swimming pool is 50 meters in length. So the same 100-meter journey in breaststroke in the pool is a straight line up to the end of the pool, but then a straight line back. So our distance is still 100 meters, the total path, but our displacement in this case is actually 0. A straight line between the start and finish is 0 meters. So what are the key traits of these two definitions? Well, if we take distance first, it's defined as the total length of the path moved from point A to point B. That may be a straight line and therefore the same as your displacement, or it might be quite different. Because of the nature of distance, it's a scalar quantity, which means it has a magnitude. You have a length of that total path, but because it does not have a single direction, we can't have a set orientation or path. If we then take displacement, it's defined as an overall change in position. So it's a straight line between point A and point B, and that straight line is critical because it then has the properties of a vector. So just like a scalar, a vector has a magnitude, but because it's a straight line, we can also measure a direction between any other line, any other straight line that we choose to put in our field of reference. So if in the rugby field we have a line going straight up the field, we can measure a direction between our displacement and that line. For some different explanations of the same concepts, check out these.